The European single market is one of the EU's greatest achievements, but a lot remains to be done in order to unlock its full potential. While the remaining barriers to the functioning of the single market are considered to be regulatory, they are experienced through public services. The ease and simplicity of using public services influences how efficiently the single market operates. For the average citizen, it is relatively easy to renew a medicine prescription in their home country. On the other hand, leaving essential medicine at home while traveling can be a costly process in terms of time, resources, and health. It involves finding a doctor, getting checked without any prior medical data, often in a foreign language, obtaining a paper-based prescription, and buying medicine at a pharmacy. For a service provider, getting the required licenses and meeting other requirements can be a simple process in their home country. However, meeting the necessary requirements in another country can mean filling out multiple forms, often only available in the local language, and then providing certified translations of the documents on paper. The process can take 6 months, and each instance can cost the service provider potentially thousands of euros. There needs to be a shift from different forms of document to data in order to unlock the full potential of the single market and materialize the benefits it offers. User-friendly public services mean a direct data exchange between authorities. Remember, the technology to make it happen is already here. Digital signatures, the once-only principle, and smart analytics have all already been implemented in many member states. It is about raising awareness, cross-border cooperation, and changing mindsets. Only by acting together can the EU achieve a fully functioning and user-friendly single market.